Welcome to this first episode where I'm gonna delve a little bit deeper into the world of data together with Peter. I just came back from Vivatech, which was a great experience, and I learned all the stuff that they shared over there, like the innovative stuff that they do with data to help the planet, for instance. Walking at the event in Paris, there are so many great examples of how organizations use data, and we share some great examples in this video series. For instance, of CBEX, they do great stuff in the farming industry, and another example in the food industry. But sometimes it's difficult for customers to really get to learn that message and translate it into their own business. And that's what we're trying to do. Share those stories and our own examples and help the viewer a little bit in this journey of making use of data in a good sense, right?
Yeah, we see a lot of examples of organizations struggling with how do we get the value of the data that we have already, or organizations who are really built around the data that they are receiving. So a lot of challenges there, yeah.
So this first episode, maybe for the viewer, it's great to have a look at the example of CBEX, and after the example, we'll talk about it.
So CBEX is an agtech startup that is, our main mission is to help the farmers to answer a couple of questions. How much they should irrigate and when they should irrigate. So to be able to answer these couple of questions, we need to gather a lot of data and process them. We have a number of models, and we give just simple information that the farmer can use it. There is a huge responsibility for the farmer, because if he takes the wrong decisions, he will not have enough productivity, and he will overuse the resources, the available resources. And here we are talking about the water resource. So our system give him the right information at the right moment, so he can just choose only what he needs to use in terms of water. So we are collecting the data, making all the calculations to help the farmer to make a better decision, to help make a better use of the resources and feed the planet. And this is how we are trying to help the world with this.
This guy was really amazing. The big message over here is how they use data to get the best way to develop the crop, you know? So what did you learn from this video?
No, I think it was really nice to see how they really build an organization around data and put a smart process around it to use that data for the ecosystem to save the water consumption, but also to improve the quality of the products of their customers. So I think it was really inspirational to see how they found a new exercise or a new target with the data that they can retrieve from the systems.
And I think like an innovative startup like they are in a good position because they really can explore every opportunity because they're starting from scratch, you know? And they're starting from data.
And I think this is just one example in a very specific industry, but it's everywhere. Data, you can pick it up everywhere, think about a process around it and build a startup. There are so many opportunities if you have the data and know how to use it.
Yeah, so lesson learned in this first video is when you can start from scratch, it's great to have like the data as the starting ground, but how can we help other customers that are around for maybe 20 years to do the same?